Anyone who needs to monitor their blood sugar levels ought to not start a healthy smoothie diet without consulting their physician first. Some recipes likewise include added sugar alternatives, such as sweetening agents and honey, which can also raise blood glucose levels. Lacking nutrients. Despite the fact that shakes are packed with vegetables and fruits, following the 21-day shake diet might leave you doing not of protein and fats, considering that shakes are not nutrition complete. Nevertheless, the meals and snacks may not provide enough protein and fats unless they are carefully selected to include those nutrients. According to USDA guidelines, adults need to consume 5 ounces of protein every day and have a total lipid intake of at least 10 to 35% of day-to-day calorie consumption, based on a 2,000 calorie/day diet. You might be starving. Liquids are not as filling as solid foods, considering that liquids are absorbed faster than solids. Research studies have shown that eating a fresh fruit salad is a lot more filling than drinking fruit smoothies, even if the calorie consumption is the very same. Other dangers. There is an absence of proof the 21-day smoothie diet plan is safe and efficient, and it does not follow the USDA standards of a well-balanced diet. Frequently asked questions: can you lose weight simply by drinking healthy smoothies? Consuming just healthy smoothies may cause weight loss. However, this depends on the variety of calories you are taking in every day. If you have a caloric deficit, then weight loss is most likely. What will happen if I only consume smoothies for a week? Depending upon the number of calories in the smoothies, you might lose, keep, or gain weight in a week. Can a shake replace a meal? For a healthy smoothie to entirely replace a meal, the shake would need to consist of sufficient calories and nutrients. Shakes with fruits, vegetables, a source of protein, and a source of fats may provide a sufficient number of calories and nutrients required to replace a meal.